And Keith, last question on that. From what you saw in the ring from both fighters, do you still consider them, and it's not a disrespect to you, just in general, do you think they're still the top guys in the division, or do you kind of see a change in the guard coming up pretty soon, considering both guys are, a lot older than they are younger now?
Well, Floyd deserves the top dog, beat him. He's definitely pound for pound number one. But Manny Pacquiao, what was that loss for Manny? Loss number 6 or loss number 7 in his career? Do you know?
I think it was like loss number 6, I think.
So, to me, Manny Pacquiao is no longer the second best. He's no longer really the third best. I don't really know where they would put him in the rankings. But, we've seen the formula to beat Pacquiao many times. And I think there are several welterweights that are either able to go toe-to-toe with Pacquiao or actually beat him that are in the top 10 right now. So, I think Pacquiao holds a high rank out of respect for all that he's done throughout his career. But I do see him with not too many more fights. Pacquiao is younger than Mayweather, but Pacquiao's had more fights and more wars and brawls than Mayweather has been in. And that can make a young fighter age a little quicker. And I think that's what has happened to Manny Pacquiao.